I'll meet you.
Cheers. So what size are these? The whole YouTube video is about to be, this is us paying for Dane's extra things. Happy Veterans Day, everybody. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna do our first ever vlog attempt where we are going to go to a breakfast, lunch, dinner and get some Veteran Days free meals, as well as potentially stopping at a coffee shop and maybe run by Academy and get some, some discounted Under Armour. And we're just gonna show you guys what's available out there for Veterans Day meals as a thank you for your service. First stop post gym, we are gonna see what's up with Dunkin' Donuts for Veterans Day. I heard you guys had a Veterans Day thing. Is that true?
Yep, I'm giving away a free donut.
Appreciate it. Donut. Thank you, dude. All right, here we are, stop one. We're going to Denny's. My understanding is that Denny's has the Grand Slam, which we'll show you in a minute, and a couple of other options open on a veterans menu where you would need to show your veterans ID. If you're planning to come to Denny's for breakfast, try to make it before that 8 a.m. crowd, because apparently that's when all the, senior citizen veterans show up. So we're gonna go check out what Denny's has going on. Let's go. For the Veterans Day stuff, is it the Grand Slam?
Yes.
Awesome.
So, and you can pretty much go and build that yourself.
Well, yeah, it's the Grand Slam. Of course, that's what I'm getting. Nailed it.
It's not okay.
Pancakes.
I do like butter, actually.
You're the most important part of the thing. You gotta make sure you get syrup on. Oh, that is. They are trying to make me watch my figure. That is slow.
They are. Now, Olivia, you just have to watch us eat until we're done, and then you go ahead.
I'll meet you guys back.
At least try the first bite and give a report on how we do these vlogs. All right. First bite at the first stop. I do love a good pancake. Yeah. I feel appreciated. Honestly, though, I mean, this is a quality breakfast. 2 eggs, 4 sausage links, and some pancakes for the cost of, showing up. Awesome.
We are, and you just take it up to the front.
Cool. So we ate our meal. Denny's was delicious. Eggs, sausage, protein, and of course some pancakes to ruin our insulin. Comes out to $28.07. And out of that, I believe the only thing that we're actually going to have to pay for is the $3.39 that the bougie COO had to spend on orange juice. And the rest of it will be comped for Veterans Day, which is awesome, but we're leaving a tip as a thank you, because at the end of the day, while this is awesome, we want to make sure we're still giving back. We're going to go settle this and then run off to Academy to grab some Under Armour or something. There you go. And then, I don't know if you need to see these guys, but we've got, and then I think I got to pay for his orange juice.
That's fine.
The whole YouTube video is about to be, this is us paying for Dane's extra things.
$3.66.
See,
You on card?
nailed it. Doing card.
Okay.
That's fine.
Number 2, we're going to run in Academy because from what I understand, Under Armour does a 40% discount for Veterans Day. So we're going to find something in here and, well, we'll just see what we find. About to be nailing it. Hang on one sec. I just need a little assistance here with the, what size are, yeah, what size are these?
Large.
All right.
GG.
Nailed it.
Oh,
I actually have one of those. They're dope. Oh, I don't need poison.
Please proceed to register 12.
Oh gosh, they got fancy in here. I heard there's a Veterans Day discount for Under Armour. I don't know if that's, but if so, I have a,
Awesome.
Thank you. To be fair, it was not 40%, it was $5. Fast cars, but no cash? Not in our circle. You see, the War Room gives you the tools to dominate your finances. So if you want in, scan the code, click the link in the description. What up, guys? Now for lunch, we doing the Olive Garden, which we all know means freaking breadsticks, but we're gonna go see what they've got for lunch options, and we're gonna go hang out, and we'll keep you posted. So, we have never-ending soup, salad, and breadsticks, cheese ravioli, spaghetti and meatballs, fettuccine alfredo, chicken parmesan, never-ending first course soup, salad, and breadsticks for all for today, which is pretty freaking dope. Get him a bourbon, neat. Because he's super hungover from me buying him alcohol last night.
He said, you know what, give me some pasta and something else, please.
So yeah, get him a bourbon, and he'll, if nothing else, we'll drink it. So
I'm with it. I'm with it.
one of us will drink it. He's gonna be like, really? What?
Anybody have any questions? You guys ready to get going?
I'm gonna do a chicken parm.
Gotcha. We do like a super salad today.
Which soups are the?
Oh, of course. We need to act.
You know what? Salad. I'll go salad.
Are you
Y'all have a good salad.
Okay.
Yeah. You wanted croutons? I put all of them right here. I took every.
What happened?
I took every single crouton out of that salad.
So funny. The noodles, dude. Okay, ready, Olivia?
Oh my gosh, hang on. This is way hotter than I thought it was gonna be. Cheers, boy.
Spaghetti.
This is what happens when your buddy's so hungover from the Marine Corps ball that he no-shows, and you got to drink the bourbon you got him. Nothing like bourbon through a straw.
Yeah, that's actually good.
I know we got chicken parm, free, 4 free vet meals. Who dope? I think I'm going to split the check. Do you guys have any Veterans Day discounts?
Yeah, we have like
No.
10%.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna do a mac and cheese with a side of mac and cheese. You know what? I want to try the pork nachos.
Hold on, Joe.
All right, so this is how we're wrapping it up. We got some pork nachos from McAllister's because we planned on going to Chili's, but the line is just super long, and between the Veterans Day assembly and then little dude has a performance this evening, we just didn't have time. And he loves McAllister's. He loves his mac and cheese, and so we came here. They give 10% off for the day, and that's how we wrapped it up. And all that being said, overall a success. So as we do a quick, short recap, right? Breakfast, check. Coffee, check. Donut for the intern, check. Lunch, check. McAllister's, check. Solid Days Hall. Can I pay for the car behind me too?
Yeah.
Cool. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Happy Veterans Day. Enjoy a free donut from Dunkin. Nailed it. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you all for your service. And I hope that you guys got to go out and enjoy some of the benefits and appreciation and gratitude thrown your way this year. If not, make sure you get out and do it next year. We all appreciate everything that you have done for our beautiful country. At the end of the day, Veterans Day is not all about the free crap you can shovel in your mouth or your pockets. It's about appreciating the fact that you, at one point in life, signed a piece of paper saying you were willing to give any and everything for this country to succeed. In fact, many of us have lost friends and comrades who did make that ultimate sacrifice. And so, I know this is not Memorial Day, but just take a moment and understand that none of this is about entitlement or greed or milking the system or benefits. It's about celebrating those times you spent with your brothers and sisters in arms and receiving a little bit of gratitude from all of the people across this great nation who recognize just how big a feat that was and appreciate you for everything you put on the line for us. Now, if you guys enjoyed this vlog style video, like I said, we haven't really done this before, comment down below and let me know. Also, if you have any ideas for how we could do more of this vlog style, I would be all ears if you guys do like it, because this is kind of new and I haven't really delved into it too much. All that being said, this channel, if you're not really familiar with it, we help service members and vets achieve financial freedom, and we help young men and women decide when and how to join the military and navigate that process. And ultimately, we're just here to support service members and veterans. We love you guys. For my Marines out there, Semper Fidelis, and a belated by one day happy 250th birthday. For everybody else out there, we freaking love you. Thank you for your service. Subscribe if you want to hang around. Have a great day. Happy Veterans Day.